The second candle in this strong 3 black crows price action is showing a longer lower wick. It's almost like the bullish to neutral resting phase during a 3 methods falling, however on a much smaller scale. In mid-August, there is a downward continuation with some minor 3 black crows price action that still results in an accelerated sell-off. Volume also increases to strengthen the bearish move. That is slower in comparison to a normal 3 black crows on a near vertical drop. Later, there is a downward overextension to begin March. This coupled with an immediate drop in bearish selling volume and a bullish engulfing, followed by a 3 marching soldiers, leads to a sizable uptrend developing. Overall, the price action in these candles is very close to a theoretical diagram. Bullish volume is not exceedingly high, however it is consistent and near normal levels. The single doji between the bullish engulfing and 3 marching soldiers is quite natural due to this being a major transition from the long-established downtrend to a developing uptrend, a major shift in the market in the long-term context. Even though it didn't fully close above the bullish engulfing's high, it did trade above, and that was adequate, especially during this neutral to bullish transition. As seen with McDonald's stock chart and the stock market in general, the early 2020 time period saw a major decline. In this case, it is not a strict 3 black crows, but the same general downward acceleration is present. There could be more candles like spinning tops to closely approximate theoretical diagrams. However, overall it is overwhelmingly bearish with the near vertical descent and increasing bearish volume with clear gaps between most of the real bodies. Despite this bearish acceleration, towards the end of this downtrend, there were candles with longer wicks to indicate weakening of the downtrend and a shift to more bullish sentiment prior to the major upswing.